Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a semicircle on the top of the page. Next we draw same semicircle under first one. Like that. Next, we draw some small curve. We draw a curve. We draw a straight line. We draw another straight line. And we join this two with a curve. Now, we draw ice cream. We draw a straight line. Again we draw two straight lines. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Blue color. Orange color. Orange color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.